This is YFM-103YCA, the auto ultrasonic close and cutting machine by computer control for number 3 nylon zipper. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please make sure the air pressure is around 4 kilo. Once the air pressure is okay, and please close the door and switch on the machine's main power, and please switch on the machine's panel's power, and please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. This is the top stop side, this is the bottom stop side, and please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. This is the slider pulling up device, and please pull the zipper and put into the zipper loosening motor. Okay, and then you can touch the screen and you can press the manual operation. There is a zipper loosening motors button. Please press this button and the zipper will come out, and please make connection with the tension control, and please put the zipper into the guiding part and make the zipper is stopping around this position, and then please release the wheel to make the wheel press on the zipper. Before you start the machine, please make sure the zipper goes through like this way. Okay, and turn to here and goes up. Once everything is okay, and please press the main screen, and you can see the machine has two functions. There's a continuous production. Continuous production, it means always keep going, non-stop. And now we are going to test for the interval function. The interval production, it means it will cut the interval number. For example, for your package, it's 25 pieces or 50 pieces, you can set up from here. And interval time is a stopping time. And this is request quantity, is a total quantity. So it means it cuts 25 pieces, stop for 8 seconds, and then total 50 pieces, machine will be stopped. Before we start the machine, please reset the production quantity, and you can press the start, the machine will be auto running. Please take out the first piece of the zipper because this is damaged. And this is the counting sensor. It will count the zipper. And this is the horn protection. So if the slider is under the horn, it will not be cutting. This is the device to pull the slider to the top stop side. Once it reaches the 25 pieces, machine will be stopped. Okay? And you can take out for packing, and machine will keep going. Okay, we finished the order. So you can see there are 50 pieces in total, and 25 pieces, 25 pieces. Okay, and you can press the reset button to finish the order, and you can see there is a setting. The welding delay time is a 5 milliseconds. This is a welding time, and after welding there is a cooling delay time. We set up 5 milliseconds also. This is a brush button is controlling this brush, and belt control is this belt. Okay, and you can see there's a password. The password 8008, enter, and you can see there's a speed setting. The speed setting 1 and 2. Okay, the speed 1 we set up 4,500. The bottom stop position is controlling the bottom stop position more or less. Okay, and we set up 26. The speed setting 2 is a 5,000. The bottom stop is 25. It's a little bit different. Okay, and there's a low level. setting the start delay time 5 milliseconds. It means before the machine starts, the wheel run 5 milliseconds and the start to run. The slow speed setting we set up to 2000. This one normally we do not change, okay? And gap induction of the zipper delay. This is very important. We set up 1 millisecond. This is controlling the sensor get the signal and then give how much time delay to the PLC. Sometimes there's a fancy puller. The puller is very fancy. It might give the wrong signal to the PLC, so we need to give the delay time to give the PLC to make sure this is the correct signal. If it is a fancy puller, maybe you need to increase the time from here. Delay time for alarm, we set up 600. And the conveyor belt time 10 is when the counting is reaching, and then this belt need to run how much time more to make the zipper goes down. Okay, it's not keeping on the belt. You can adjust the time from here. And this is the sensor control. Normally you can use the belt control, the conveyor belt counting, or ultrasonic counting. So now we use the belt sensor counting here. If you don't want, you can switch to the ultrasonic control, so it will counting by the sonic horn. So now we use the belt control, okay? And for the ultrasonic control box, when you change the horn, you need to press the frequency scan to make sure the frequency is around 14.7 to 14.9. Okay? And if you want to change the power output, now it's used at 86%. If you want to change, you can press set, and you can increase the output or decrease the output. And you can press this button to make the welding time more or less. But this is maximum welding time. Normally you set up from the PL touch screen, not here. You can press set. If you want to check the sonic, you can test here, and it should be 14.7 to 14.9. Okay, and showing the power, showing the current. This is the data. Okay, so above method is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish machinery testing.